What if the key to a happier, more productive life is hiding in plain sight, on your smartphone? Today, we're diving into the world of digital minimalism. But hold on, this isn't your typical put down your phone lecture. What if I told you there's a hidden power in your smartphone that could transform your life? It's not an app, it's not a feature. It's something far more powerful. Stay tuned to the end because I'm about to reveal the counterintuitive approach highlighted by Cal Newport's secret of digital minimalism that will transform your relationship with technology forever. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is digital minimalism? At its core, it's a philosophy of using technology intentionally and minimally. But it's not about living like a hermit or throwing your smartphone out the window. It's about mastering your digital life, not letting it master you. The essence of digital minimalism lies in three principles: recognizing that digital clutter is costly, optimizing our tech use, finding satisfaction in intentional choices. But here's where it gets interesting. What most people don't realize is that digital minimalism creates a positive feedback loop, what I like to call the flywheel effect. It starts with taking control of your digital life, which leads to better focus. This improved focus boosts your productivity, which in turn enhances your overall well-being. And guess what? This well-being strengthens your relationships in the real world. But that's just the beginning. Did you know that embracing digital minimalism can change your brain? Studies have shown it can enhance neural connections related to focus and emotional regulation. It's like a workout for your brain. And here's another secret. Digital minimalism can save you money. Think about all those app subscriptions, data plans, and impulse purchases driven by online ads. By cutting down on these, you're not just simplifying your digital life, you're simplifying your financial life too. Now, let's talk about something counterintuitive: the power of boredom. In our hyper-connected world, we've lost touch with the art of doing nothing. However, embracing boredom can spark creativity and self-discovery. It's in these moments of nothingness that our minds can wander and come up with brilliant ideas. Digital minimalism also teaches us the art of digital curation. It's about treating your digital content like you would physical possessions. Would you keep every single flyer that's handed to you on the street? Probably not. So why keep every email, app, or digital file? So how do we put this into practice? Here's a simple 3-step process. Define your technology rules. Decide what's essential and what's optional. Take a 30-day break from optional technologies. Yes, it might sound scary, but trust me, it's eye-opening. Reintroduce technology selectively, based on your values and what truly adds value to your life. Some practical tips. Create screen-free zones in your home. Use Do Not Disturb mode during focused work or leisure time. Limit social media use to 20 to 40 minutes per week. Embrace analog alternatives like physical books or notebooks. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about FOMO? What about my work that requires me to be online? These are valid concerns. The key is to find a balance that works for you. Remember the counterintuitive approach I mentioned at the beginning? Cal Newport stated that digital minimalism doesn't reject technology, it proposes a more thoughtful way of engaging with it. The goal isn't to eliminate technology, but to be selective and intentional about which digital tools truly add value to your life. Your digital minimalism journey starts today. Let's support each other in this journey toward a simpler, more intentional digital life.